Hello everyone, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be continuing with our operating system. So everyone get up Visual Studio Code or whatever text editor you are using and open your operating system files, and I'll get back to you once I've done that. So I've done that, and I've also got the terminal up, and I have forgot to delete some stuff when I was testing, and I forgot to switch to a different folder. So just a couple things I want to do. We need to delete the shell script because I forgot to do that, and then as you see, for some reason we have a lonely print.bin. So in the make file we can try and spot the issue. Now, as you see, there are two print.bins, so this print.bin is actually a leftover and hasn't been updated. So if we delete that, that is fine, and it shouldn't do anything to the outcome. So, select this bootloader folder here and create a new file, and we're going to be calling it discreed.asm. Now, this file will contain all of the important stuff. Actually, I forgot in the make file, I need to get rid of this C compiler thing. We're not going to be doing that. We're not going to be having to use a C compiler until we finish with the reading from the disk. Now, since I can now finally make longer videos, this will probably be a bit of a longer one. So, also Happy New Year! Happy New Year, everyone. Sorry I wasn't able to get a video out on New Year's, but hey ho, we have got one now. Discreed.asm. Now, this. So, most of the base, very simple, and very essential functions will be coded in assembly. However, the other stuff, like file systems, will be coded in C. And the reason we are doing that is because C is a very high functioning language. It's very high level, however it does have low level control over hardware, and it's great for building operating systems too. I mean, if you want, you can use C++, but if you're following this, I would recommend not to. So in this episode we need to declare some headers and also get our basic stuff ready. So we need to do org OX0. Then here we need to write bits 16. So we're not using the simplified boot sector, because if we do that, it will cause some issues. Or no, it won't cause issues, but to be honest, I'm not very good with the simplified boot sector in a long script like this. So we first need to quickly define two strings. Now, the first one is going to be a loading string, and if we camel case that, so first word lowercase, second word uppercase, that's good. That's the naming convention for programs, or the usual one anyway. So we now in here write loading. Now we need to create another one, error string disk. Don't worry, this won't do anything. This is just the name. It should not do anything to the actual code. Shouldn't break anything. So, failed to read the disk, error code 1. Now, you don't have to have the error code 1, but I like doing that because that means I know where to look. And also I just think it looks cool and it looks like a real program. So now we need to create our new unsimplified boot sector, so as in the first episode. Did we do .halt? I'm pretty sure we done .halt, and then we done jmp.halt. Now be right back, and we will start with defining these headers. Sorry for the silence. So for our first header, I completely forgot, because it was a quick look over. I am actually following a tutorial. I'm not exactly following tutorials, I'm just mixing stuff from other sources and making a very weird operating system. I'm trying to use as much of my memory as possible. So, yay. Okay, so we are actually going to start defining these headers here. Right, comment there. So, now, BDB OEM. Not quite sure what that means. MS Win 4.1. Don't know what this is at all. I know most of these variables, but that is not one of them. I have no idea what this is, so if anyone could explain it in the comments, that would be greatly appreciated. Thank you. Now, I'm not very good at remembering stuff, so I'm gonna have to pause again. Right, so BDB, bytes per sector. Now I'm pretty sure this is linked to the .bin files or the binary files. So this is DW. We have to define whatever that is. Hold on. Data allocation. Okay. 512. Now we do a BDB instead of bytes per sector. We now do sector per cluster. Now I'm pretty sure this is either 1 or 2. So I'm just gonna check. I'm just gonna write 2 and I'll check. Nope, it's 1. So now we need to have a reserved sector. So BDB reserved sectors DW1. Because it is data allocation, because we need to allocate this to a certain point. And then the number here is the initializer. Decimal or hexadecimal 1H. So yeah, there are a lot of different ways you can write 1. But 1 is just the digit is probably good for assembly. I don't think it accepts anything else. So let's continue. Me pausing again. This is going to be a long video. Right, now we need to define the FAT count. BDB FAT count DB2. I'm pretty sure it's the... Hold on. What does DB mean? I'm pretty... Yeah. Oh. Yeah, it's defined bytes. Hold on. Okay, so... Oh. Okay, right. That clears that up. Yay. Right, so I've just created this little text file which contains the rest of these. So, BDB the entries count. What was that? Right, so DWOEOH. Now, I don't know what that is. This is assembly. I'm not good at assembly. I'm just doing stuff from what I remember. in my failed attempts. Right, so BDB total sectors. DB, I think. That is DB, right? No, that's DW. 2,880. I was gonna say 88 then, and I was like, what? So, BDB media descriptor type DB090H. Is it H? No, it's OFOH. Just check. Yeah. Right. Our next one. BDB sectors per FAT. Now, FAT or FAT is a file system, and once we finish the disk reading segment in a few episodes, because I will be splitting this up in 2 different episodes, that's when we can start with the FAT file system. It's a good order to go, and I learned that yet again from a tutorial. My god, I can't believe how much I've got from tutorials and how much I actually understand. AKA, not that much. I understand. Wait, I was gonna write sectors per sector then. No, sectors per track. BW18. Right. Right, so the heads. BDB heads. 2. Hold on. I was gonna say, that doesn't look right. It's DW2. Right. BDB hidden sectors. DD0. I think it's DD0, yeah. And then BDB large sector count. I'm pretty sure that's DD0. Yeah, that's DD0 as well. So I'm just gonna check. We're a little far in now. We're getting there, and don't worry why this is coming out a little laggy. It's because I set it to 30 FPS, and to be honest, that's probably the smoothest you're gonna get with this. And we can't switch to my PC. I don't know if I mentioned that in the beginning, because you need Windows subsystem for Linux. Or if you go on the Microsoft Store, you can find a bash terminal. I should have covered that in the first episode. I'm so sorry I didn't. Right. That is all of that very, very weird stuff. They're important though. Actually, no, hold on. I swear there's more. Hold on just a sec. I swear there's more than that. Okay, well, I've just replaced it now. This txt file. This will be deleted, so you don't actually need this right now. I need it though. And this is the extended boot record. That's why it says EBR. I was gonna say, I swear there is more. Also, I'm getting these from Nanobyte. You should go watch his operating system videos because they are amazing. Sadly, my cross compiler didn't work. Might be compatibility issues, I'm not sure. So sadly I couldn't get any further than episode 4. So let's just continue. Also, I'm just gonna replace that with, yeah, I've got a name of it now, and actually it's 11 bytes padded with spaces, so until that reaches there, that's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wait, hold on. 7, yep, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep, that's good. Right, now, EBR. You know, I'm just going to copy all of these in. Now, just pause the video, take a minute and read these, because I do not know many of these. I'm not very good at explaining this. So that should be it for the disk.txt file now. Oh no, I pressed the wrong key. I need it back. I pressed the wrong key. And now it's completely deleted it. Hold on just a sec. There we go. I set it back. There we go. You've got it. Oh my god, and there we go. Sorry about that. Well, that's also a reserved bin. I don't know why. It might be reserved for a sector, I'm not sure. Or a boot record, I'm not sure. So that's just it for our variables that I have no idea what they are. Let's continue. Right, so looking at this, we actually need to now create a separate part. So, right. Sorry, I'm just going to call this entry JMP main or jump main. So we need to create a main function. Right, what else do we need to do? Now, to be honest, I'm just going to speed through this because I don't want this video to be dragged out really long. So, puts and the loop. That is all of that there. So take a minute if you like, just pause the video. I'll deselect off it now, since you know what it is, and you can read that. Because to be honest, I'm not making a 180 line script right now, because it's late, and it's not even something that I'm going to remember. It will take 10 billion years before I will get there. Also, this variable EBR volume ID, this can be anything really. It just has to have H on the end because it's a hexadecimal number. Right, back to this. Right, so this giant script here that I've just copied in, this part here, this is in main. It sets up the data segments and does all this fancy stuff that I don't understand because this is assembly. Who understands assembly? No offense, assembly programmers, if any of you are watching this, or assembly fans. Right, let's continue. Now we create the tiny function dot done. This one here. This populates all of the registers, and then what does this link return from procedure? Right, so it returns from the procedure, so it stops that. That's very good. Right, and if we just continue on, oh my god, this is getting nearly 100 lines. I just want to speed through this because this is getting on my nerves how long this is taking. I'm very impatient. This is probably my worst quality episode yet. Apart from the fact you can actually see what's going on in this one. Right, so we have our next functions. Our next three functions here. Right, so I actually do need to quickly check anything I need to change. No, so, right, here. Instead of calling MSG hello, this is loading string. Now, instead of MSG read failed, we have error string disk. So that's good. You got that covered. So, now, moving on. This has taken a lot of time, and it's getting late, and I need to read more Percy Jackson because I am getting into that now. It's actually really good. I recommend you should read it. Not sponsored, by the way. Now, our converter function. Also, I just remembered just to get rid of this Alt, because we've got it here now. Now we've got our giant function. It's a converter. It's all of that there. I'm not joking, that is it. Using some of our variables, not all of them are needed, weirdly. I mean, no, they are, so it doesn't freak out, but we're not even using all of them, so sometimes I just say, what's the point? Yeah, seriously though, what is the point? Now, arguably, the most important function, the disk reader. This actually, I do know this last function is the amount of retries, because it won't always do it correctly. And we also, believe it or not, do need to copy something, like, just something for the disk to read. So, continuing now. Now the retry script, which is this script here, retries stuff, believe it or not. Now, weirdly, we have a second .done, because we have these two scripts here. Very interesting, if I do say so myself. So, continuing, I think that may be the last thing. I'm just going to check. Right, one more function left. Disk reset. This resets the disk. Yes. That is a very big script. That is giant. So, oh my god. We absolutely need to test it. First, okay, no, now, if you probably won't recall because it's a very fine detail and you will probably completely unexpect it. In the outputs before we've had this, the line thing, whatever it is, the, you know, that weird, the flashing thing, like text thing, whatever it is, that was, like, if you think about it, that was always on the first line, right after it had printed the string. Now, if this works correctly, should be on the second, or the start of the second. So, in our make file, we need our ASM x86 compiler. We need src. We need bootloader /disk read .asm fbin output build / let's just, I don't know, disk.bin for now. Then we now need to actually change this. Instead of print.bin, we need to make a bootloader.bin, and we need to change that here too. So now what we need to do, we need to copy, sorry, forgot to put the parentheses in. So we need to copy disk.bin, build /disk.bin, and, not into, don't write that, build /bootloader.bin. And then we need to remove, so I'm going to create a new variable for that. I'm going to call it remove, and it's rm. That's the command. So, we now remove, we remove build /disk.bin. And now, that should contain two things. Now, this is going to be really annoying. because we need to test it now. So everyone, get your terminals up. Get your terminals up. Now, what you will need to do, make compile img file. Please work. Oh, didn't create bootload. It didn't create. Oh no, it created bootloader.bin. For some reason, it still created print.bin. That's funny. Also, instead of main.bin, we'll just turn that into kernel.bin. We'll just turn that into kernel.bin. That's a little weird. So get your terminals up again. Let's troubleshoot. Compile img file. That's an issue. That's error 2. So there was an error 1. Something is up with the disk reading. Now, it might... If you think... Hold on. It's weird. I'm well and truly stumped. Let's go to discrete.asm. Anything else? Maybe there was something I missed. Hold on, let me just check. Okay, right. So what it was is it's our same. We have to organize that like that. The org OX7C00, and I completely forgot. We need to do our thing at the very end. Those 2 lines at the end here, including that T, that should finally work. So if we continue again, did not. Oh wait, hold on. I notice it now. I did not notice these errors before, but no, we've got these errors. Right. So let's troubleshoot. This is a very important part of coding. Error parser instruction expected. Let me just check that. That's a little weird. Nope. There is something I've got at the top. JMP short start and NOP. What does NOP do? I never understood what this done. Wait, I don't know what that does. I did not get that. Right, let's get back to our troubleshooting. That should be 1 error down. Now at the 79th line, HLT, comma colon. Oh. Okay, let me check that. I'm genuinely not sure. Let me close OBS then. Let me look again. Right, okay, so I just ran the command again, the make file command, and now we're getting an issue with the 8th line. Even though we added those 2, it's still not working for some reason. I'm genuinely stumped. Nope, found the issue. Oh, I was missing quite a few things there. We need this line. We define, so %define in DL, OXOD, and OXOA. Wow, my laptop case is getting hot. Okay. Will that finally work without any problems? Yeah, no, it doesn't want to work for some reason, and oh my god, my battery's low. This is pain. Oh. If only I had an editor to make this way more interesting, this part. Oh my cable management. Oh, never mind, forgot it. Cable management is this part. I'm just gonna check that again. I genuinely don't know what it is. Nope, found the issue. I forgot to put DB. Now, yeah, right, that's... Okay, we removed that issue. Now the 84th line, which is the same line. Oh, no, not the same line. Okay. Error. Comma, colon, decorator, or and expected after operand. Let me have a look at that. This is weird. Right, okay, maybe this issue. If we put error string disk like this, then we can change up here on line 84 to error string disk. Let's see if that works. I think it's because of the brackets. No, it was not. Oh no, it was. It definitely was. On line 174 and 175. Comment and say that at all. Oh no, I know what it is. It's this part here. Got to add the commas there. Wow! That completely messed it up. Let's try that again. Well, we have all those issues. No, we did not get all those issues, so be right back. Found it. Loading string. And just so we have to remove the DB from the first part. Put that, and then we also forgot I also forgot to add the ENDL sub bins, whatever they are. If that doesn't work now, I'm going to not have a good time. No. Oh, no, this part I know. No, this part I know. I forgot to add DB here instead. Or define byte. I really hope that's what it means. Nope. That all messed it up again. Let me see what it is. This is pain. Oh, so this is pain. Nope, that was correct. I might know the issue. I'm not very sure though. I'll be to CH this. Because if I save that now, that's just gonna mess it up again. So hold on, let me just clear the terminal. That completely messed it up. Look at all those errors. Start undefined. Oh, right. Entry. It's entry. Let's see if that works now. Let's clear the terminal again and do that. Finally, after 20 minutes of trouble. Okay, no, probably not 20 minutes. After a while troubleshooting, we're there. Got bootloader.bin, kernel.bin. Oh, okay, and just delete main.bin and print.bin. Right, okay. Let's try that again though, just in case it does create them. Nope, that worked. Didn't create them. Right, we are now safe to test it in VirtualBox. One thing I forgot to do though. Wait, why is osdev.img? Why is that only 512 bytes? That's a bit weird. Okay, I'll have a look into that. Yep, as you can see, that thing is on the second line now. So finally, after ages, we have successfully read from the floppy disk. Now, in our next episode of this tutorial series, we will be working on the FAT file system. I need a break though. We have been doing it like 5 episodes in a row, just wow. Okay, so everyone, I'll see you in the next one with hopefully a shorter video.